got the truth, the money never lie, no. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Early morning in the dawn, know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one, yeah. Hear you sick.
Good morning, my name is 𝗧𝗨𝗚𝗕 and my name is 𝗕𝗡𝗟𝗚𝗔. Here my friend and I want to have a dialogue about how to ask hidayah. Here apply the role of buyer and I play the role of hire their software. First of all, the hair is narrative here. On Sunday morning, 𝗕𝗓𝗓 went to their hair dyer. She did have hairdryer and she went to buy new hairdryer because hairdryer had been broken for a long time. Then he went to electronic store 𝗗𝗜𝗚𝗚𝗥 shop kept per name Intan then email. Hi, good morning sis. Hi, good morning. I have can you. I want to buy hairdryer. Can you tell me what brand is good? Of course. The Air brand, Panasonic and Philips brand with Air will no brand. What are the advantages of the Philips and Panasonic brand? The Philips brand is Panasonic brand, accessories from making warm and color are his, their temperature and specialty with their Panasonic brand make hair summer hair and silver has for temperature setting, so I told doctor. Do you have another tip of hairdryer? There are several models such combis. The soft of the combis I said to the soft hide the hair and this the hair are big on curl, the hair are smart on. How many colors are there? The 4 colors, red, black, pink and gray. Okay, I will buy the Panasonic brand because it is better and the color is pink. The Panasonic brand is not better and lasts longer with a moment I. Okay, this is the Panasonic brand hair dryer. The color I pink, please. Okay, I have checked the item and it is very good and suitable. Please take his item and thank you for shopping our store. Thank you.